In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a test product in Stripe. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Before you create anything, make sure you are in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account, because products created in the wrong account can cause confusion later. Next, turn on test mode in the Stripe dashboard. This makes sure the product is created in your test environment instead of your live account. Always check this before moving forward, especially if you are testing pricing, checkout flows, or subscriptions. Once test mode is enabled, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. In some Stripe layouts, you may also see a separate Products section. If that appears, open Products to continue. Now click Add Product or Create Product. This will open the product creation page. Enter a name for your test product. Choose a clear name that will help you recognize it later during testing. You can also enter a description if needed. This step is optional, but it can be useful if you want to add more detail about what the product is for. If you want, upload a product image or complete any other optional product information shown on the page. These details are not always required, but they can help if you are testing a customer-facing checkout experience. After that, move to the pricing section. Select the currency you want to use for the test product. Then enter the product price. Make sure the amount matches what you want to test. Next, choose the pricing type. Select one time if you want to test a single payment. Select recurring if you want to test a subscription. If you choose recurring pricing, you will also need to select the billing period, such as monthly or yearly. Before saving, review everything carefully. Check the product name, price, currency, and pricing type. If you selected recurring pricing, confirm that the billing period is also correct. When everything looks right, click Add Product or Save Product to create it. After the product is created, confirm that test mode is still enabled. Then verify that your new product appears in the product catalog. This confirms that it was created in the correct test environment. You can now use this test product with a test payment link, a checkout session, or a subscription to make sure the product and price work correctly in your Stripe setup. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.